Hey, welcome back, everybody. What I did was I went and downloaded this character from from Maximo.com. It's an Adobe site, and you can go ahead and download motions and FBX and all these other stuff. So I went and downloaded that because what I'm gonna do is do a little test and see if about mapping the character onto uh, the FBX that I created using the smart suit. So what I did was so I downloaded that character and now I'm just dragging it into Motionbuilder. And this is not really a Motionbuilder tutorial, so I'm not going to go through so much explanation. I just want to show that it can be done. So I'm going to go ahead and open that, and so here's that character, and so I'm going to go ahead and characterize that character. Go into the scenes, the hips. So, okay, so I have that character there. I'm gonna go to the right here and I'm gonna rename that character. Now after I rename that character, so I brought it in, I brought the character in, I dragged it over here to the scene, and then right after that I'm gonna get this character uh, indicator right here, this icon, or this object, and then I renamed it. Now what I need to do is bring in my FBX. So I go ahead and I find the folder, or what I can do here is I can go to File and import, motion file import right here. So I can go here. So I can go here and I can select the one that I want and then I can open it and it'll open up here. Or what I can do is I can come over here into this area. I can right click and I can go ahead and set a favorite folder to the folder that I'm going to be using most of the time. So let's say if it was going to be this one right here, I'd click OK and then that folder would be available right inside of Motionbuilder. Then I can go inside of that folder and select it here also. So if I do it from the file, what happens is you'll see the skeletal system be imported into the scene. However, what I can also do is just drag this file from here into the scene. When it does that, I'm just going to go to merge and all takes. Once that happens, as you can see here, the skeleton is into the scene, and I'm not really worried about accuracy so much right now because what I would do is I would resize this skeleton here. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like that. Now, if I were to go ahead and scrub through this, you'll see the skeleton moving, but the character is not moving. So what I have to do from here is first I have to go ahead and take this right here and I'm going to go ahead and characterize that. So I'm going back here to characters. I'm going to drag the character right on top of that root, hit characterize, I'm going to hit continue and then biped. Once that happens, then I can come over here and I can select inside of my character, the warrior, and go down here and select this character source, which is based off of the one that I created here with the FBX. Once I do that, if I drag it, then the character will go ahead and move with the source. Now there was a few things that I had to do. Well, actually, one thing I had to do because of the bone structure here. There's missing spine bones here. So if you have an issue and it says, hey, there's a problem with it, what you would have to do is go into the FBX and then you would have to go here to the spine and then you would have to remove something like, let's see how this says spine 2. Really what you would have to do is go ahead and remove that and then characterize and then biped. And then make sure that from here you're set this to the warrior and then from the warrior set it to that character you just created. And so there you have it. You have it directly from the Smart Suit into Motionbuilder. So let's recap. First, I import my character. Then I characterize the character. And then I import my FBX. And then I characterize the FBX. And then I go ahead into the spine and then I remove the extra spine that was there based off of this, the regular characterization. And then I go over here to the character controls. I set the character to warrior because I renamed it over here. And then I go ahead and set the source to the FBX. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.